Hello, welcome to my video. I've just received this in the post. It should be second-hand Filofax Chameleon in the personal size in black leather. So let's see. I've got this cool, very sturdy scissors. They're made to cut, I think, plastic bottles, but they're also great for boxes and other parcels. Should come with the original box. Lots of packaging, so that's good. Padding, which is always excellent. More padding. There we go. So you can see the original box with, I think this is called raspberry. I'm not sure about this, if it's pear or lime. And now unboxing it. Wow, this looks really good. It's black, somewhat shiny. The cover is more floppy than the Finsbury, which I've also got, also in black. It's beautiful, gorgeous leather, and it should be in unused condition. So on the inside we can see the big pocket here, and numerous card slots. I think there's about 7 or 8. Pen loop on the front with some small piece of elastic. The strap with the popper stud to close. This is the back, same smooth leather with this sort of fake snake embossing. And the spine with the logo on the back. Let's take a look to the contents. I think this has opened during transit. These are all kinds of dividers for the contacts lists, which I'm not going to be using. So I'll put these to the side. There's quite a lot of them. Yeah, you can see that it's not been used because it wants to close itself. But over time and with wear, this should flatten. The rings look good. It does look new and unused. Obviously you'd remove this as soon as you'd start using it. And there are some inserts, just a lined one, a small the notebook. This looks excellent. I'm really happy with this.